Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the quaint town of Bowden, Alberta, a community located in the heart of Central Alberta. Situated just a short drive from Red Deer, Bowden offers a peaceful rural setting with stunning landscapes and a strong sense of community. The town was established in the early 1900s and has a rich history that is evident in its charming historic buildings and local landmarks. Bowden is surrounded by fertile farmland and natural beauty, making it an ideal place for agriculture and outdoor enthusiasts. Bowden is part of the larger Red Deer County and enjoys a prime location with easy access to urban amenities while maintaining its small town charm. The town offers a variety of local shops, services, and recreational facilities, ensuring that residents have everything they need close at hand. Bowden is also a gateway to outdoor adventures, with nearby parks, lakes, and trails providing endless opportunities for hiking, fishing, and exploring the great outdoors. Whether you're enjoying the local parks, participating in community activities, or simply taking in the scenic views, Bowden offers a warm and inviting environment for everyone to enjoy.